It was a 3-1, 964 square foot. I bought it for 100K. My rehab was 40. Plumbing, I had to change some cast iron, auger it, typical cosmetics, flooring, paint, and then can't see this picture, but in the back there's a whole bunch of bushes and trees. If you guys know the Midwest or Missouri specifically, there's a lot of trees, and you want to chop those down because if not, they're gonna fall onto your roof and you're gonna be a pretty penny. And it can't get sticky if you want to try and claim it, knowing that the trees is dead and the roots is dead. So that's the numbers there. It appraised at 157. I pulled out 125. I left. I'm negative. You guys can see that. You can check if you guys want. You guys can pull out your phones, but yeah, I'm negative. So I'm not here to show you the fluff of the unicorn deals, just to be straight up. And this other property right here is a 2-1, 879 square foot. I purchased for 105. Rehab was 24. Pretty much I did plumbing and electrical, the fixtures, the outlets, did some cosmetic as well. All in was at 129. And before this actually got listed, there was a thing that came up when Adam actually, well, check him out guys, Adam is over there. He's an inspector here in Hawaii as well as KC. And he's the man to doing due diligence and inspection period to get my numbers down when I purchased. Yeah, so what I was saying is the plumbing was sloping back to my building, and I had to make a executive decision with my wife and I. I was like, we augured it was good, it's flowing, but when we get tenants inside, our family, waste, solids, doo-doo, everything, is it gonna uphold, it's gonna hold? And sure enough, it has to this day, so we deferred that to the background, but that's the numbers there.